Welcome to the Trader of the Day. This is Fred Razak, Senior Trading Strategist here at CMtrading, and today is September 11th, 2019. So looking at that symbol to trade, John P. Morgan, JPM is the symbol, and the MT4, one of the largest financial institutions in the United States. The strategy to apply was a gap and go. Your action to take was to buy a half a lot of 500 shares. Your trigger price was 111.45. Your closing price was 116.52. The change in your favor is $5.07, giving you a profit of $2,535. Now let's take a look at that trade. So looking at this trade setup, we're looking at the JP Morgan at a 30-minute chart. And as you can see, we solidified earlier in the week with a nice rally, a pullback onto previous resistance, subsequent support at this level, and then we continued going higher. Now, your entry point was after we gapped up, okay, right here, and then taking a whopping 5 points to 116.52. This was your entry point right here. After that gap up, let's clean it up a little bit so you could see. After this gap up, this was your entry point at 111.45, and we rallied nicely, never breaking the trend line, and going into the yesterday's close at 116.52, giving you a change of $5.07. So it's a little bit of a background of what's been happening the day before as this has gotten stronger. And we're looking at the general market, the Dow Jones looking stronger, our previous resistance being met, and then taking up higher. Now, to learn more about these type of trades and other type of trades, make sure to join CM Trading today.